Hey, it's Nikki Leonti from Start Your Own Family Daycare, and I'm really excited because today is one of the first online workshops I'm going to be doing as part of my weekly online workshop trainings. So these workshops are all going to be on my Facebook page every single week. I can't give you a time. I don't know when all three of my children are entertained or asleep. So it's really as much of a gamble as anything. So I am joining you live. If you have comments while I'm live, leave them below if you have questions you want me to answer, and I can answer them in the video. Or if you're watching the recording, you can just leave your comments below and I will type my answers in for you after at any point, if you're watching it now or next week or whenever. So today's weekly workshop is about how to set up your own Facebook business page and what on earth you can do with it, how you can use it for your family daycare business. So this week's whole topic on Start Your Own Family Daycare is about using Facebook for your family daycare and how to promote it, how to use it in other parts of your business. And I am so excited because that is what this week's training booklet is all about. So the training booklet, if you haven't heard me yapping on about it already, is inside the Family Daycare Academy, which is a paid membership. Now, inside the Family Daycare Academy, you get access to all of my online courses as well as the monthly training booklet, and you can go in and download that. Now, the Family Daycare Academy is only $19 per month, and it's an ongoing subscription. So you can cancel at any point. You can go in, download the monthly booklets each month. You can go and check out all of the different online courses that are available. And after I finish this, I'm going to put the link below on how you can access that. But what I do want to do is, I know that not everyone's in a position that they can pay and not everyone wants to be signing up to something, and that's totally fine. I get it. But I still want to give you some value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going from some of the content from this month's training booklet, which is all about how to use family daycare for your business, and doing some training online workshops about different parts of that booklet. So the first part is about how to have a business page. In the booklet, I talk about why you should have a business page, and, I give you a schedule of how to be posting on your business page and all that cool stuff. But today I'm going to show you how to set one up and a few little secrets about how you can optimize your Facebook page that you might not know about. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, in order to keep all of my family and friends on my personal profile private, so I don't want to be posting all their stuff all over this Facebook Live, I have skipped a couple of steps before I share my screen with you. So the first step is, I recommend you do this on a computer. Don't try and do it on your phone. It's a pain in the butt. So get on your computer, and this is what you're going to see. I'm going to be showing you my screen, and it's on my computer. So when you go onto Facebook, when you've logged into Facebook on your computer, you're going to have a bar down the left-hand side of your screen, and it's going to say pages. Now, if you already have a page set up, it's going to be sitting underneath that heading. If you don't, you need to click on that. Then it's going to bring up pages that you like. And then in the top right corner, it's going to say create a page. And that's what I want you to click on. And in 1 second, I'm going to show you exactly what it's going to look like once you've taken those 2 steps. So on the left-hand side, it says pages. Once you've clicked on that, it will show you all of the pages that you like in a new screen. And then on the top right corner, click create a page. All right, so let's just get into this. All right, so you will be able to see what I'm seeing right here on my computer screen. You've got a few different options. So this is the create a page section here, and you've got 6 options. You can either create a local business or place, a company, organization, institution, a brand or product, cause or community, entertainment, or a public figure. Okay, so we're going to select a local business page. Okay, so let's make something up, something cool. So let's do the page name, which would just be your family daycare name. Okay, so let me just go with the Lakes Family Daycare, which has always been my one. Education is the category, and I don't actually ever put street address, but I do put the city that I live in and the state. You can just put any kind of thing here and your phone number if you want to, and then get started. Okay, and now we can get into it. Okay, so now you can add a picture. I'm not going to go into lots and lots of detail about doing this. I don't want to waste your time because I know you want to kind of get in, see it, and move through the rest of your day. So add a picture. Okay, so we're going to skip. But what you're going to do is click on this, upload. It's going to let you select any image from your computer. So a profile picture, I always recommend it is of your face, okay? Not of your dog or a stick or a cup or anything, you know, creative, artsy. I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, it has to be of your face, because what you need to remember is that people who are going to be sending their kids to you are hiring you or choosing you and your family daycare because of you, not because of the fancy stuff you might have or your dog or anything like that. So we need to be promoting yourself, so your face. So that's what I highly recommend. So you're going to actually do that. And then a cover photo. Now this is the cover photo. It goes along the back of your screen. So can you see this? This is kind of a little mock-up of a Facebook page. This is the big image here. So it needs to be quite long. Next week, I'm going to be showing you this really cool publishing tool that I use all of the time. There's got some really cool free stuff. I'm going to show you how to make those images if you don't know how to do them yet. If you don't, like, it will actually auto size the image anyway. So just pick a landscape photo that you might have. And again, this could actually be of your environment. This would be a great place to put your environment photo there. So again, go ahead and upload. Now I'm going to skip that bit and it's going to take me to the goodies. Okay, so now you can invite friends if you want to. We don't want to do that right now. You can publish posts. So just like on your personal Facebook profile, so there's two different things. You've got a business page and a personal profile. Your personal profile is where you put all your stuff, what you had for breakfast, and, you know, how your kids are annoying you, all that kind of stuff. That goes on your profile. This is your business page and it looks very, very similar. Okay. So again, you can type something in here. You can add an image. Again, like, you can add all sorts of stuff. You can go live, like what I'm doing right now. You can do a bit of a live post, and then you publish, or you can even select this bit and schedule posts. So if you're going to be away, or you kind of have this great idea, but you don't want to post it right now because it might be midnight and you know no one's going to see it, you can schedule the post for the next day or at any time. Okay. So Facebook is great in that it really does hold your hand and takes you through every single step. Okay, so it tells you all of the things that you should be doing. Okay, so let's have a look. So, and then it also gives you some page tips. All right, I recommend you look at that. Okay, go through this. You can add your website to your the link to your Facebook page if you've got one. You can create a button so you can have people call you through a button on your Facebook page. All of these really cool things that you can do. So if you are really new to a business page, I highly recommend you check that out. Now, a couple of other things we're going to do first is here, we're going to go to settings. And there's so many options, okay? Don't be scared. There are a lot of options, okay? So we can, what we want to do is go on the left-hand side, we're going to go to edit page. This is really important that you do this before you take any other steps, because you're going to start linking this. Maybe you might link it, you might send an email out to your family saying, oh, come and follow me on Facebook, or I don't know, you might start linking it anyway, but this is kind of a template, like you can change the templates. We've got a venue, we've got business, a non-profit, politicians, services, restaurants and cafes, shopping. There's so many different ones. I recommend that you just go the business and apply template. Okay. And all it does really is change a few of the tabs on your page, and you can change all of these. These are the options that appear on the left-hand side of your page when someone clicks on your business page. Hello, how are you? So you can go and do that. You can change all of the pages. You can shuffle them around to different order. I highly recommend that you have your posts first, reviews second, photos third, and then your about, because that's generally how people will go through it. If you've got groups or community or things like that, you can definitely change that. All of these update automatically. There's no save button, so you don't need to be stressing about that. Okay, so we've got your template happening. And then we can go to page roles. You can actually have other people on your page as an admin or as anything, really. It's up to you if you want to do that. Now, let me just move a couple of things here. Okay, so we're going to go to back to page, and this always takes us back to the starting point here. That's always very, very helpful. All right, so now we want to go on the left-hand side. See how we just changed all these little tabs around? Well, what we can do here is go back to the About tab. All right, this is what we really want to do. We want to create a username. And so, oh, it can't have any spaces in it. That's available. Excellent. Okay. All right, so we haven't got enough stuff on here yet to have a username. That is a bit annoying, but anyway, we can keep going. Okay, so here we can tell our story, so you can add things in there. If you work with other people, so maybe you might have an extra educator, you can add them, add team members here. Let me have. Okay, now here is a really good thing. You can add your phone number if you want to, and you can use that as the button here. So people will see, even if they're on their phone, it will say learn more, but you could say contact us and it can call. Hello. Hello, Hina. There we go. Thanks for watching. And there's so many other things that we can be adding. You can have a look. You can add your email address. You can add your website here. You can edit your about, like contact information, when it started, awards, all of that kind of thing. Hey, Lindy. All right. Okay, so there's so many things that you can do, but I also want you to show you these 3 dots. Okay, so these 3 dots, you've got so much more information. You can edit the page info, view the insights, which shows you who's actually coming to your page. You can go and create ads here from the Ads Manager. You can create a group, an event, all sorts of different things. Okay, so let me go to the info here. So you can have your phone number, street address. You can put in your hours, your opening hours. See how there's so many different things that you can do. The other thing that you can do is, let me just put in your cover photo. Oh, okay, it's not going to pick up. Let me just go here. Is there an image? Let's just put this one here. You've probably all seen this one. See how it's not quite the right size, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so we're going to put that there. And then what you can do is click on it and it brings up the thing, but you can also add a description. So in here you can tell people who you are, what you're doing, all of that kind of thing, because quite often this image, the backdrop image is an image that a lot of people click on. Okay, and so you could link your website. You could have your phone number if you wanted to. You could say you've got vacancies. You could say when you're open. Other important information that you want to do, you should actually add it into the description of your header image. Okay, so that's really important. So I want you to do that. So if you haven't done that, if you have got a business page already and you haven't done that, then go ahead and do that. I mean, there's so many different things. What I want you to do is just really have a play around, and we need to have a look for the link. Maybe it's not letting us edit the link. because it's only a new page. That's okay. So we can close that off. And then you can start inviting friends. And you can also do, if you want to just do a quick Facebook ad, you can just go promote, and that can promote your page for Facebook likes. It's not my favorite kind of promotion. And in the training booklet, I go through why it's not and which ones you should probably think about first. So go ahead and check that out. Now, let me just quickly hop out of this screen. Okay, so I really hope you did get something out of this training. As I was describing how to set up a Facebook page in the training booklet, I thought, you know what? I really want to show you hands-on how to do it, because seeing it hands-on is a whole lot easier than just trying to read it in a booklet and then you're trying to click and do all these things. But just keep in mind that Facebook changes all of the time. So it may not look exactly like that when you go to do it if you're doing it later on. But always just play around. You cannot break anything, okay? So have a go. Put images here and there. Try and have a good play with your page before you start inviting people to like it, so that if you're making mistakes and things like that, no one else is going to see it. Honestly, unless people like your page or you've sent them the link, they cannot see your page anywhere. Very, very random chance that people might find it if they're searching for it in the Facebook search tool. So I want you to go and have a play. Now, if you already have a business page, or if after watching this, you've gone and set one up, pop it in the link below, in the comments below. We want to see what they are. We want to see what you're up to, see what you're doing. We would love to do that. So I hope you have an amazing week. I am just in the beginning stages of the 2 week school holidays, which has been fun. A lot of running around this morning already, but I do quite enjoy that. And then next week we're going to Brisbane, but next week I will be back doing a online workshop all about how to use my favorite photo editing tool, and it's absolutely free. So you can check out this tool completely free. And you can also buy images from them like for $1. It's really cheap. It's great. And I can't wait to show you. Now, if you have any specific questions, just pop them in the comments below or send me a message if you prefer. All right. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.